Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we'll be learning all about the zip and unzip command. Advanced set of Linux commands. Zip filename.zip filename zips the file package and compresses the file. Unzip filename.zip extracts compressed files in a zip. tar-cvf filename tar.gz filename is used to archive the file. tar-xvf filename .tar.gz filename is used to extract the archive file. Now let's go ahead and practice it on MobaXTerm. Now let's go ahead and practice this in MobaXTerm. We're gonna go to MobaXTerm, we're gonna go to sessions, SSH, remote host, we paste it in, specify username, ec2, user, advanced SSH settings, airtime.perm. Now that we're inside the server, what we're first going to do is use wget command to install Tomcat. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna do Apache Tomcat 9 download. We'll take this one, right click, copy link address, copied. Go back here, we're gonna use wget, paste, and install it. Now that we have wget, we have installed Apache Tomcat 9 zip. Now that's already zip, we need to unzip it. To unzip, we use the unzip command that we learned. We're gonna do unzip. I'm gonna copy this, paste it again, except this time we're gonna remove the zip. Now that we've unzipped it, let's do ll to see the unzipped one. It's not unzipped. Then we're gonna do unzip again. File name not matched. Now that we've unzipped it, let's do ll.h to check if it's really there. We see it over here. So in order to start this package or check the status, we're going to do sudo system ctl, and we're going to do package name. We first have to do sudo yum install httpd. We already have http, it's complete and it's installed. So let's check, let's do sudo systemctl. Sudo systemctl, we're gonna start httpd. Now let's do sudo systemctl status exit. I forgot to do status of sudo systemctl status httpd. Now we check the status of httpd and we can see it's active and it's running. Now if we want to stop it, do sudo systemctl stop HTTPD. Now it stopped. Let's check the status again. We can see it's inactive, it's dead. We stopped it 3 seconds ago. Now let's say if we want to disable HTTPD, we just do sudo systemctl disable. It's disabled. Now let's enable it again. It's enabled. Now these are the systemctl that these are all the commands that we skipped in our previous video because we didn't unzip it. So let's check if we did all the commands. Yeah, we did all the commands that we skipped. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.